that will go back up in those chairs to become a table. Come to the right is the first bathroom. Hello. With shower. Come back out. And you enter into the living space. This is typically a couch, but again, we've got it folded out into a bed right now. And then the rooms in Art of Animation come with an Alexa. We have not used Alexa, but she's there if you need her. And then a TV that does have the ability to Chromecast if you need to. No closets, but they do have these built in into the living area space, as well into the main bedroom, which is here. Hi, honey. Same setup, just kind of reversed. Dresser, TV, and a little closet area with an iron and ironing board and the safe. And then into the master bathroom, where it is much the same setup. Only thing that I will note is that there are outlets here, and then a lot of the outlets over here at the dressers also have USB if you need those. And then no balconies in value resorts, but we do have a nice little window to look out. And again, this is the Finding Nemo suites, so they are preferred and closer to both the Skyliner and to the food and food court. So there you go. Zachary, if you liked our room so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. Should I ask Melanie?
No.
No.